Hook, first 30 seconds. You're paying $200 in extra monthly in interest. That's $2,400 and a year. You could have invested it. Instead, you're stuck. Promise, 10 seconds. By the end you will know. 1. How to / credit card debt fast. 2. Invest $5 and today. 3. Avoid the $1,000 and mistake people make. Tip 1. 3 words, balance transfer. Most people pay minimum. You're paying $150 in extra. Stop. Call your issuer. Ask for 0% APR. Save $500 and in 12 months. Do this now. Tip 2. 3 words, $5 and invest. You think $5 and is nothing. It's $60 and a year. Use Acorns. Round $5 and to $10 and invest daily. $10 and /month equals $120 and /year. Start today. Tip 3. 3 words, pay extra. Most people stop at minimum. You're leaving $200 and /month on the table. Add $20 into payments. Save $2,400 and /year. Do it. Retention hook. Stay until the end. Tip 3 changed my life. CTA. Next video, invest $5 and in 5 minutes. Subscribe. I post weekly so you never miss a hack.